이제 할로윈 도와도 참 할로윈 잘하니까 이쁘디 할로윈 여자가 여기는 찌를 지기도
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
여긴 파이드 프레스 됐다고 같이 지원해
Trying to steal my fancy, will ya? I'll bite your fingers off.
the sun rays, and
Oh, God. You didn't say clean. No candy for you.
Look, much scarier. Oh yeah, 나보다 그냥 있어. 나보다 지난 사도 like. How much is it? $20.
90 and 80 bucks.
$20. Okay. Let's buy some candies and then we're gonna put it here. One of this or one of that? Choose one.
One of these.
Okay. So you don't want the gummies?
No, let's get this.
I see. Oh yeah. Don't steal the candy, okay? He will bite you.
What I'm become, I don't know. And this is little Kenzie, and this is we can share our, oh, this is Spider-Man, I guess. And I don't know, guys. You guys judge me, okay? I don't know what I am.
It's cat.
Oh, really? Let's go. We'll go for Tikati. Yay! Show me, show. Kenzie scared? Kenzie scared.
Yeah, that's okay.
Kenzie scared? My makeup costume like makeup artist goes to this little beautiful Tibetan Vlogger. She make it, okay? She don't know what she make it, cat or rat or titi or shimi or. Are you ready for go Tikoti? Yes, let's go. Kenzie, are you ready? Let's go, guys.
Yeah, okay. Amma, are you ready?
Of course, I'm ready.
Okay, first let's go to downstairs.
For Tikoti, let's go.
Let's
Oh,
go.
you don't want to go?
Okay, you go. You guys keep going. Here's the shop. Okay.
Yeah, people, hi, bye.
Bye bye. Very well.
Tikoti. Tikoti. Happy Halloween, guys. Give the reaction. Tikoti, happy Halloween. Go. Candy, where's the
Okay, guys. Where's the candy? Wow. Amma, go get the candy.
Thank you. I don't need it.
Say happy Halloween, love.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, come here. Go. Oh, you are Spider-Man? Happy Halloween.
Oh, happy Halloween.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We'll go to other purple. You did. I will take picture with this guy.
Dina video le sangye ma par jao, okay? So,
Kenzie, do this.
let's go.
Lakpo.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. More. Woo! Yeah, draw. Let's draw. Halloween candy, and whoever wants to come, they can just press this one. Good
We got
job.
this decoration and here would be danger sign.
Yeah.
Let's go now. We'll go for Tikoti.
Okay. Now we are going to go for. Okay. Hi, Amma. What time is it right now?
8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock. Okay lah. Dada, where are you going? Okay. No. We have to go to the house who had it decorated. Okay.
Ooh, look at Amma and Kenzie. Looks so good. Would you like to jump to the water? Ooh, did you
candy?
Kenzie's scared.
Did you get candy?
Yeah. Scared to me actually.
Woo! You get lots of candy.
with the pumpkins or like the light one?
Yeah, I'm also thinking to go
Kenzie's
there.
scared to me.
I will look at your face here. Ooh, I will look so beautiful.
Oh,
And
really?
you look so beautiful
ugly.
too.
I guess so
Again,
ugly.
wow, Eugen looks like
Eugen looks
superhero.
Yeah.
파도. Show us. Let's go.
Show us, show again.
Come, okay, let's go. Get some candy. Let's go. Say happy Halloween, okay? Ooh, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ooh.
Remember I said come down?
Whoa, look at those. So nice, decorate. Wow.
Grab two. Yeah, grab, no, and grab one for your brother.
Yeah, what you say?
There you go.
What you say? Thank you. Happy
happy
Halloween. Ooh, look at this. Wow. That's so nice. Ooh, look at this. Happy Halloween. Enjoy. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, love. Bye, love.
Bye.
Good night, love.
Good night.
Bye bye.
And hold it like
Then
that.
there's the Halloween trick.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Wow. What you say?
Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Halloween. There's a second person there. I think.
Oh yeah, here.
Okay.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
She's standing there.
Wow. See,
Candy
we
from-
got it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Happy
Awesome.
Halloween.
Thank you. Wow, I like your pumpkin decoration.
Yeah, that's
Fun.
Yeah, so cute. Yeah, EKG.
what you say again?
You put your bucket under the bottom there, it'll slide right down to you.
Okay, come here. No, again. Oh yeah. Ooh, you got it. What you say?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Thank you. Let's go.
Let's go. Now we are done almost.
No, we have to go to Auntie house now.
Yeah. Once a little bit light up.
Do you think she has some candy? I think that's whoa, I really like that one. I like this costume too. Yeah, just ring it.
Just don't do too much, they will get mad.
Okay, cancel. That's okay. Cancel. Oh my god, kids. I don't know, I hope so.
Today we got so far Cheetos.
Okay, like, can you show me
Cheetos.
what you get?
What's this?
Maybe inside they have some candies.
Maybe they have something like,
Yeah, surprise candy.
oh, they put it like, safety.
Yeah.
Coronavirus. No.
Okay, again, is your basket is full or not? Almost full, right? But half full. Okay. Đã ngon số gói được cái lá đã chiếc lá. Uh-huh.
데코레이션 한 치아래 캔디 한 치아래.
Uh-huh.
이 데코레이션이나 캔디 한 치아요 말했어.
Uh-huh.
아, 캔디 한은 한국이야.
Uh-huh.
찌그찌 해피 할로윈.
Ooh, look at this guy. Can they do?
No. Just go from.
Much as
You want what?
wow.
As many as you want.
It says, wow, that's so generous. Let's see what you gonna get it.
It's like a magic basket.
Yeah.
One for here, for me.
Okay, one for Kenzie.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Kenzie, Mama also. Okay, let's go.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
La, Kenzie. Again, la. Happy Halloween, la. Wow! You got lots of candy.
Candy.
See?
Long one.
Wow, that's okay.
1, 2.
3. Wow! Whoa, 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 whoa,
I
whoa.
want to make something.
One more. They will also send us candies.
Oh, yeah, right. Your Juru and your Juru husband. Wow! Wow, it looks so good. I will eat one of them, okay? Oh, thank you. Ouch.
You don't eat those, right?
Oh,
Try this one.
oh my God. Thank you so much. What you have? Show me, show me, show me.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Let's check.
Oh, this one is also yummy one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Oh,
Christian, allow my dad?
gosh. You just got reverse trick or treating. Please consider making your
Chocolate.
fair treat and stand up against child labor. What?
Whoa, Kenzie Tenda. Whoa.
I'm actually
Kenzie Tenda. 암치다. Whoa, Kenzie.
I like this candy so much.
I think that's from Tempa Puntua and then Juru.
Julia, see this guy is eating lunch.
Anyway, so what is your message? I'm gonna stop. Say something.
We have to stop the. Okay,
Did you guys enjoy today?
okay, come. Did you guys like our costume and our trick or treat?
Channel.
Yeah, trick or treat. Whatever.
Free channel.
Okay, that's it.
Please subscribe our channel.
And ring the bell button and hit the like. And hit the like button.
Bye, love you. Mwah.
Yeah, we can teach an hour.
See you next video. We'll make entertain. Okay, we'll give entertain if you guys subscribe. Thank you.
Okay.
If you forget us, then this tab, learn the channel if you know how to spell it.
What?
If you forget us, this spell Linda Tomo.
Oh, and then?
Who is Linda Tomo?
My mom.
Okay, that's good. Anyways, enjoy your chocolate. Thanks.
Son, you're
Okay.
my intelligent son.
Okay, anyways, bye-bye. Good night. Happy Halloween, love.
Happy Halloween. And happy Halloween. Happy
See you in
Halloween.
the 2021.
Okay,
I
bye-bye.
hope you have a good Halloween.
Okay.
See you in the 2021.
2021.
2021.
Okay, bye.